In this video, I am going to show you how to skip unlock your Microsoft experience. So first, the bypass one is just to disable the internet connection before starting up. And then Windows will display let's connect you to network, and then on the screen just use Shift F10 and type OOBE bypass and arrow. But if you wanted to another bypass too, you can usually use this. If you use a banned email address and just click, it will automatically bypass to another page. If you next, and then it will automatically go to the next page. And I've used this, and I usually also just click the icon on the top left. As you can see here, it will automatically also go to the next page. So just click this and it will go directly to type any password of your next screen. And it will also say, oops, something went wrong on the next screen. And you can assign a password to the account or leave it empty. It depends on you. And that's it.